The significance of Cat6 cable network cable connections. In today's highly connected world, where internet speed and reliability are paramount, Cat6, Category 6, cables have emerged as a fundamental component of network infrastructure. These cables offer a wealth of benefits that make them the preferred choice for various applications, from residential to commercial setups. 1. Enhanced speed and bandwidth. Cat6 cables are designed to handle high-speed data transmission, offering up to 10 GBs of bandwidth. This makes them ideal for supporting gigabit Ethernet and beyond, ensuring that your network can keep up with the demands of modern internet usage. 2. Reduced interference. One of the key features of Cat6 cables is their improved shielding. This shielding helps reduce electromagnetic interference, (NE), and crosstalk, which can degrade signal quality. As a result, Cat6 cables provide a more stable and reliable connection, especially in environments with numerous electronic devices. 3. Future proofing. Investing in Cat6 cable network cable connections is a form of future-proofing your network infrastructure. As technology advances and data demands increase, Cat6 cables have the capacity to support these changes, making them a wise long-term choice. 4. Versatile applications. Cat6 cables are versatile and can be used in a wide range of applications. Whether you're setting up a home network, connecting office workstations, or establishing connections in data centers, Cat6 cables are up to the task. The stringent specifications of Cat6 cables ensure consistent signal quality over longer distances. This is especially important in scenarios where maintaining signal integrity is critical. 6. PoE, Power over Ethernet, support. Cat6 cables are commonly used for power over Ethernet, PoE, applications, allowing both data and power to be transmitted over the same cable. This feature is invaluable for devices like IP cameras, VoIP phones, and wireless access points.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful information. Thank you.